finish your car since.
Me was don't reach out by now. Forget say I even Nduka today.
But after the finish your car, I noticed.
God have mercy upon us.
Share no like this, me change. Let's go and find for the car.
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Good for you. But what do you notice?
I noticed your brake pad not good. Yes, sir.
So I want to fix them.
Just 500k.
Jesus! 500k! Jesus! To fix brake!
Bros not pay.
Jesus!
Wait till they want this one. Who is this one?
What's up, my people on the day? What's in the sub from on the side? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. Guys, please make sure you watch this video to the very end because it's going to be very short, and I promise you it's filled with the funniest video you've ever come across. You get so subscribe, it's very important, but don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Make una beat them. You know the doctor. You know the doctor. You don't mind. Come on, shut up. Baba, listen, no. Any talk will go put person for problem. Leave him for happy.
Leave him for happy. Hey.
Baba, listen to me. My eyes are active like brick. You know they use leg stand. Beat them. Hey, how much you collect? Money I want use go buy goods next week. I come back this morning. 30% don't come out inside. 30%? 30% too. I don't mean collect that. I see who collect that here. Hey! Bro! What are you doing?
They don't sabi you. They don't sabi you. They don't know say you be that. What's the matches?
Hey! I don't finally say as I die.
If I ever hurt you, girl, I'm sorry. Oh, my baby, no go leave me for love, Zaddy. My Annabella, say now only you they call me on.
Who is Annabella?
Jesus.
Yeah?
Who is Annabella?
You're asking me who is Annabella? You lying cheating scum! You're asking me who is Annabella? You're asking me who is Annabella? You're very interested.
I said I'm not cheating.
You're cheating!
I am not cheating. I am not cheating. I am not cheating.
You're not cheating. Give me your phone.
Who are you?
Oh yeah, speaking out.
You are expecting one message.
You don't have to say water.
Baby, waiting so.
What's that?
The motherfucking eagle.
I will tell you.
You never see it. You never see it.
You don't decide.
You know who's back up in this mother.
Today I'm in my boyfriend's apartment. I haven't seen him in about 6 months. I'm about to surprise him. I'm so excited. I can't wait for him to come behind. See how excited my man is to see me.
Babe.
Oh, babe, where have you been?
Jesus.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Come, let's just take these things upstairs.
Babe, you have to go.
Busted.
Babe, the guy that I'm owing money is upstairs, and I said to him that you're the one with the money. So you have to go.
Nasty, you're lying.
Jesus.
Who's the girl upstairs?
Girl, upstairs, baby. I met you when I was a virgin. I gave you my virginity. I think I'll be with the girl upstairs.
So you know,
No,
virgin.
I love you.
Are you sure there's no girl upstairs?
No, baby, just go.
Babe, money for Uber. Babe, gift card.
Oh yes, you can trade it with agent gift card on WhatsApp. And besides, they are fast and reliable. You can download them on
Baba
Apple
they
Store or
cheat.
Play Store.
Now only
You have to
me
get
know they
what
cheat
you
for
want.
this country.
Babe. See you later.
Now only me. Man.
Oh, babe, don't run away again, babe.
Thunder fire no. Punish them.
Thunder fire now.
All men are scorned. All of them are shot.
Now some man.
I'd few.
Number. Can I have your number?
My number. Okay, that's fine. Just give me your phone.
Thank you.
Rangers
Let me
are
put
this
my
is
own.
unfair.
Okay.
Thank you.
You don't break him.
I'm really sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Let me see. Hey, yeah, he break here. Look, is that why you're... No, it's fine. It's nothing. Is that why you're panicking? It's nothing. Trust me. Can you trust me?
You're sure?
Like, how about now? Come on. So wipe your tears. Why are you sad? Is that why you're panicking?
Thank you.
It's okay. Have you put the number?
Yes, I have.
Alright, now I'll give you a call, okay?
Okay. Sorry, excuse me. I'm sure that you forgot. You haven't given me my phone back.
My love, see, I know you have tried. Please, just endure with me. Eh? This is not our permanent side. Eh? This is just what for a while. Build with me. Me and you together, there is nothing stronger than a power couple. Eh? You and I will build an empire.
Liar.
Go and look for our daily ticket.
Let me make I prosper. And when you reach my turn, make it just say visa.
Can't you be settled?
Hey, sure. No. Sashi kids. Your name not sorry. You didn't date yourself. You didn't date yourself, bro.
In the whole world, it don't make noise. 3 times a day is what make one a remorse.
Now yourself you didn't date, bro.
Bobby Builder.
Take it.
Take now.
Don't worry, you go make him. Don't worry.
Oga. So that money that they gave you, oh yeah, bring it, let me keep it for you. You say I should give you money every time I'll give you money. You not give somebody anything. Me, I'm not giving you. I don't understand. What do you mean, baby? I want to give it for you. Christmas is coming. Everything is due. Let me find something to buy for you. I don't want this one. I'll keep it. Don't worry.
What are you trying to do? What does the law say?
Oh, say that. What happened?
That's your business in your kitchen and your house. See, section 419 of the criminal code. Obtaining by false pretenses. Anybody who uses false pretense or intent to defraud to collect anything capable of being stolen, you are guilty of a felony. 3 years imprisonment, 2 portions of arrest. I will save money for you. I will help you buy house. With no result, no proof. You are going to jail.
You are less like that. 3 years imprisonment. So let me collect this money. Even though you go to jail. Leave my hand first.
Let me just drop one.
When we go to jail, your father's family that went to jail, not me. Baby, come on with me, Jerry.
He can't collect that.
Get out. And you, how did you enter this compound?
Trespass on the law.
Assault.
Voila. There's
Man, they come here again. They don't do your car since. Where this boy is, sir? Alika. Sir. Where's the silver for item you bring? I dey come, sir. If I meet you for there, you go drink hydraulic.
Jesus.
They play.
Okay, it's in for here.
Yes, now.
I don't finish your car since now.
Nobody tell me.
I don't finish your car since.
Me most of us don't reach out by now. Forget say I even do car today.
But after the finish your car, I notice.
God have mercy upon you. Share no like this, me change. Let's just go and find for the car.
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Good for you. But what do you notice?
I notice your brake pad not good. Yes, sir.
So I want us to fix them.
Just 500k.
Jesus! 500k!
Jesus.
To fix brake.
Bros, not pay.
Jesus.
Wait till they want this one. This one.
Econ. But why is the light in this brake?
See, I think it's right time we advise our chef as man. Let me tell you something. See, I'm a man of peace. I don't like war, I don't like fight. But all you, I get to be boss. I just come back. All the guests that me I have activated for Christmas, you have packed all of them. And you cook one. I call Cynthia, you say, Daddy, I'm not available. I call Abe, Daddy, I'm not available. I call Ruth, I'm not available. I call Use that is national cake. I'm not available. God will punish all of you. And you have to be boss.
I just got back.
I'm not pinched, no.
Boys, when they come outside, they come.
Because I'm way too big. I'm bigger than this. And let me tell you, you are the one that you are losing. Because I'm in a very Christmas mode. I'm splurging. So you are the one that is missing. And yeah, just go back on London. Let me tell you, when January comes, they will go back to London. And they will abandon you, they will leave you. They will give you belly and leave you and run back to London, America, UK. Don't worry. You will not come back to Yaji. Yaji, I miss you. Go punish you.
Go punish you.
Go punish you.
This one paying you, Moo.
It's alright. I'm not paying though. I'm bigger than this.
Bigger
than you. Because I'm way too big. I'm way too big. Go with punish all of you, HGB. Go with punish all of you. You motherfucker.
Madamu, turn off your ignition.
Okay, just check.
Turn off your ignition. You are at a police checkpoint. You are receiving AC.
Calm down.
Do you want to receive slap? It's like you don't know who stopped you. My name is Officer Kamo, a very, very aggressive officer with a touch of kilometer. Oh. If you want trouble, I will give you trouble.
Wow.
And I will give you in double.
Amazing.
You better be humble.
I'll give you in double.
Please,
you better be humble.
This your particulars and your driving license.
Yes.
I don't want it again. Let me see your HIV result. The HIV result is here.
Yes.
Okay, I don't want your HIV result again. I want your secondary school, living school certificate, SS3.
Inside.
It's here.
Yes.
Are you sure it's here?
Yes.
Oh yeah, bring out your Ebola result.
Inside here.
Your Ebola result is here.
It's inside.
Okay, coronavirus.
All the kinds of results you want.
They are inside.
Kidney, liver, heart, teeth, tongue inside here.
You do kidney test.
Everything.
Do you want to donate kidney for someone?
No. Do you want one?
No, me if your kidney your pupa.
You don't look like you have kidney.
Oh, ti akise pupa gan.
Na bleaching cream.
Bora ni. Organic ló fi bora. Madamu, you are alaseju. Alaseju ni o. Bí ẹni tí fi dá ìsìn abiya. Now you have entered wahala today, and I'll show you wahala. Madamu, who are you? What do you do for a living? I don't even have issue with your papers again. I have issue with your behavior.
Okay.
Who are you? Mo fẹ́ mọ̀, Tanya.
I'm just a blessed civilian.
Blessed civilian?
Yes.
You don't look like you have blessing. Take your kako behind couple. Now, let me be frank with you. Madamu, you are in trouble today.
What to be our first
maybe you are in trouble today. Talobafa.
You're talented though.
Talented as what?
Are you sure you will not try comedy?
Why?
You're funny.
I'm funny.
You're so funny. See the way you are displaying for me.
I will do stand-up comedy for you in prison.
I so much love it.
Please, Madamu, I have issue with you. I'm not even checking this guy again. I want to check your boot.
Okay, you are yelling in my ear. Go. It's open.
It's open.
I need to leave.
Overset me open. No. You will come and open it for me. Female Yahoo. Please calm down. Come and open it for me. Madamu, are you smelling trouble? You have jammed Agbako today. You have jammed our Solomon. I don't want peace.
Oh, see moto.
Mrs. Adarikma, open your boot. Or else, you are in trouble today. You look like a kidnapper.
You don't mean it.
What is this?
I don't know. Maybe human being head.
Where can I open it?
Oh, you can open it yourself. Let me not contaminate the evidence.
That's the
What? Madamu, what's this?
What is it?
Hello, Madamu.
That's the entire
Madamu.
You? I will pack you in my house.
Madamu.
What?
Mrs. Adarikma.
Yeah, your mama.
May we talk man to man?
Man to man. No, I want to talk woman to woman.
Mommy.
Daddy. Daddy.
Mo ti si yẹn da dúró.
Mo
gbọ́ kí ló dé etí kọ́nà fi ń gbọ́ràn ni mo gbọ́. I can hear you. Hey, this is Beyonce that wear the style. So you want it like this, like because
yes,
full stone.
So my full stone, blue yeah. Then. So Oni, Eloni.
5 million.
You are a criminal. Kilo day.
What? Kilo day.
So you don't
see the best. Don't wash your. You don't see the person that is inside the cloth. How much do you have?
Let's have it.
50K.
You can see where you are from, man, with the one on ground. Yeah, with what they tell you.
Only, cause see much in bed. Never say jump to salon. Any other material.
Okay, no problem.
To send it.
You can go there in like 2 weeks time. Get what back?
A fairly weary. You want to see crazy?
It's okay.
I'm a fabric daddy.
Where she from? Come on, that's it. From inside.
Pluto, this your wife when they marry na Port Harcourt Ross girl. I find what in the sub. And again, we meet inside church. Na church, there they plenty pass nowadays. Pluto, J-Pan say no go spray, no only gift card in get.
Make you sell a gift card to Angel gift card now. That they for Play Store and Apple Store. Now they get the highest price for Nigerian market. They fast, reliable, and safe. Make download the app, make trade with you. Sharp. As we were saying, what you say my wife?
It's okay. Yeah.
Hey, that's your wife.
It is smart, you boy. Come see the pick money so.
Now wow.
Hey! Look up, babe.
Bonus God. OS everywhere.
Oh my, OS everywhere. You sure? I tell you, OS everywhere. Now look for everywhere. Oh my, this guy head now right. And it's still on Bob. What's he on Bob? What's he on Bob? I don't understand. First your head be like this. I beg, tell me what is still a barb. Eh? Tell me what is still a barb. You don't, your head na code already. I wouldn't know. You want me to barb your scalp joint? I know they understand all these people who say that they get by. Even me say, wait, I don't they get by a small shot, but at least I know if you get that kind of hair, I know if you barb code. Guys, thanks for watching this video to the very end. I really appreciate it. I believe you had fun. Hope you enjoyed it. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right there in the comment section. You understand? And make sure to check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. You feel me? So check it out. And subscribe if you're yet to. Drop nice comments and share my video, guys. I will appreciate that. So see you in my next video. Peace out.